Hey guys, here's a quick recipe for refrigerator pickles. Layer mini cucumbers and sliced onion into a jar. Combine the remaining ingredients, bring to a boil, and boil for 1 minute. Pour that hot mixture over your cucumbers. Let it cool, cover it, and refrigerate overnight. The next day, this is what you're gonna get. They are so good. A little bit of sweet, a lot of sour, and a little kick at the end from the heat of the crushed red pepper flakes. Hope you enjoy.